So if you're beginning your poultry farm, one of the things that you want to make sure that you focus majorly is on the housing. Because you see, housing can be a menace to you, especially when you are cleaning and when you are managing your chicken. So guys, recently I decided to make one of the most important decisions of my life, which was to leave the urban life, come focus on farming. And because I was just beginning with no enough capital, I decided that I will begin from where I was and grow with the business. And I must say that so far I am enjoying the progress. And you too should also think of doing the same. So because I was beginning from a point where I didn't have enough money, I decided that I will utilize the available resources. And one of them was a house. So the structure that was built before for the chicken was just a small structure. This structure was working better until the time that we had to increase our flock. So when we increased our flock, it became a challenge because of overcrowding. And overcrowding led to one of the biggest problems that you could face in any poultry farm, which was the problem of pests, lice and mice. And these have been a challenge for us, but we found a way to clear them. And also the area that we decided to focus on our farming is a semi-arid area. And mostly the temperatures are very high during the day, which creates a conducive environment for the mice and the lice to breed. There are three most important things that you must consider while you build your chicken structures. And one of them is the convenience for expansion. Poultry business is one of the businesses that you can expand very fast. And so therefore, even as you bring in your first batch, you should have it in mind that your expansion is not going to take long. And if you are diligent enough, you are going to expand from that small area that you are. So don't go for a very small structure, because when you desire to expand, it will be trouble for you. Because you want to ensure that you are saving on time and also saving on the resources. And if at all the space that you have generally is so small, you can check this other video that I have linked up here, which I demonstrate to you how you can utilize the small space that you have for maximum production of poultry and even fish. Secondly, and this also happens to be one of the most important aspects that you should consider, is the ease of management of your poultry farm. Proper management is one of the most important things that you must ensure that you check even in your poultry farm. So therefore, as you build your house, ensure that your house has enough room for an individual to go in, do cleaning and disinfect the house, and this will help you especially in managing your pests, and you will not be in a similar challenge that I was with my small houses. Thirdly, a good house should be able to protect your chicken from all danger, including heavy rains to direct sunlight, which might give your chicken stress, and this will reduce on their production in a great way. And so we decided that for a start, because we were just beginning and we were starting especially without enough capital, we decided that we are going to begin with it and grow with the business. And as we grow, one of our biggest goals is to bring down this small house and to build a good house which will be efficient for the productivity of our chicken at large. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you've learned one or two things. And if that is so, there's this other video here which I believe you will also be able to learn a lot from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe down below so that once we post any of these informative videos, you will be the first one to be notified. Also give this video a big thumbs up and help us to reach to a wider audience. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.